How to fix blue error 0x0000000F on Windows. 1. Enable Windows default BSOD troubleshooter. 2. Test your RAM's health using Windows Memory Diagnostic. 3. Boot into Windows Safe Mode. 4. Recover missing driver files and reset any corrupt components. To do so, run the following commands as admin. sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 5. Do a clean Windows installation to clear the 0x0000000F issue. 6. Check and change power cord and remove external devices. 7. Run botrec/fix mbr command in command prompt under Windows Safe Mode. Plan B, run botrec. /rebuild command. Plan C, botrec/scanos botrec/fix mbr botrec/fix botrec/rebuild date. Launch the startup repair option in advanced Windows Safe Mode. 9. Check your data cables and HDD/SSD, BIOS, and drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 10. Disable automatically restart. 11. Clean boot your system. Note, you may need to remove third-party antivirus from the system, uninstall similar applications to reduce the risk of system/app conflicts. 12. Install recent patches. 13. Check then remove potential malware from your Windows PC, using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 14. Delete junk files. 15. Use System Restore. 16. Run disk checking utility, chkdskc/f/r/x, as admin. 17. Fresh install your Windows.